Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically transcribe voice memos on your iPhone so you can instantly read everything that's been recorded. Let's get started. First, open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. You'll see all of your recordings here. This feature works with both existing recordings and any new voice memos you create. If you want to create a new recording, simply tap the record button and start speaking. Once you're done, tap the stop button to save the recording. Now, find the voice memo you want to transcribe. Tap the three dots next to the recording. From the menu that appears, tap View Transcript. If your recording is long, your iPhone may take a few moments to generate the transcript. Once it's ready, you'll see the full text of your recording displayed on the screen. You can also tap play while viewing the transcript, and the highlighted text will follow the audio as it plays, making it easier to review your recording. And that's it. That's how you automatically transcribe voice memos on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.